Are you struggling to build your WordPress website or fix something they are just not working? Don't worry. Today I'll show you how to easily hire a professional WordPress developer on Fiverr who can build, fix or customize your site fast, even if you are on a budget. So first head over, go to fiverr.com. Go to fiverr.com. It's a trusted freelancer marketplace where you can find thousands of verified WordPress experts ready to help. Just type WordPress developer or website in this search bar. Now you will see hundreds of gigs. Don't worry, you can easily find the best one using Fiverr filters. Choose your budget and select your delivery time and filter top rated or level 2 seller. Any type of, you will see hundreds of gigs, but don't worry, you can easily find the best one using Fiverr filters. Choose your budget range, select your delivery time and filter by top rated or level 2 seller. So there are so many experts here for help you for build your website or redesign your website or fixing any bug or speed optimization. Anything you can hire from there. There are so many experts on here. So I show you a gig who will create WordPress website. So I'll open a gig. He is a WordPress website developer. So he have 1351 reviews, 1351 reviews already. So he have a 5-star review all and 21 order in queue already running, 21 order and 5 are choose based. He is a top rated freelancer. So he is so much a professional. He create so many project his client. You will check his, this is he done already project for his client. So there are so many review he have. You can check this client review he have. So there are so many expert for help you to create your WordPress website. Any type of website you can create. So this is the first one. We can check second one. You can check another one. We can open another one. So you can hire for develop your WordPress website or anything. He have 1334 reviews, 14 order in queue and he is a top rated freelancer. So this is so much professional. We can check he have so much project, already done. His client review he have so 4.9 rating. So there are so many professional for create a WordPress website. So he is a WordPress website developer. He have 5-star review and 35 reviews and 4 order in queue. He is a level 2 seller on Fiverr and his basic price 100 and a standard price 350, premium price 550. So there are so many experts on here to help you. So I hope you understand. You can find anyone. You can filter details and seller details, top rated, level 2, level 1, new seller, any type of, and you can select your budget below under 130, 100 to 300, any type of, you can check here and you can filter your delivery time. You can take within 3 days or within 24 hours or 7 days, any type of, yeah, you can hire. So there are so many and in which types you website you want, business website or e-commerce store or blog website or landing page, offer submission, any type of website you can develop on there. There are so many experts for help you. So before placing order, always send a quick message on there. Before placing order, always send a quick message to the freelancer. Tell them what you want. Maybe you need a new website or redesign or just bug fixing. Good communication helps you get the perfect result. Once everything is clear, click continue, place your order. Your developer will start working immediately and you can track progress right from your Fiverr dashboard. And that's it. Just a few clicks, you can hire a professional WordPress developer to get your dream website live. So I will add this link on my description below. You can contact anyone, you can hire anyone for develop your WordPress website. So if this video will help you, please like, share and subscribe our video. Thank you so much.